How to fix smart lock not working in Samsung A16. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold volume down button and power button at the same time, and then click on restart. After restart your device, then go back and open settings and then click on Google services. And here you can clear your Google services cache data. After clearing your Google service cache data, then click on software updates, and here you can check your software update. If it doesn't update your latest software, then update it to latest software. After that, go back and open general management, and then scroll down and click on reset, and then click on reset all settings, and then again click on reset settings, and here enter your current pin. After entering your current pin, it will reset all your settings. After that, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.